So, long story short, I used to game semi-professional Call of Duty 4 Pro mode, and I wish I had this monitor back then. Hello everyone, I'm Chekotech and welcome back to the channel. Today, I have something truly exciting to review. The ViewSonic Omni XG2431 24-inch gaming monitor. Designed specially for gamer, this monitor packs a punch with its impressive features and performance, so let's dive right in. First, let's talk about the monitor itself. The ViewSonic Omni XG2431 is a 24-inch gaming monitor that delivers stunning visuals with its full HD resolution. The fast IPS display, coupled with Beta Display XDR400, ensure vibrant color, better contrast, and wide viewing angle, making your gaming experience insane. The monitor comes in a sleek black design that adds a touch of elegance to your gaming setup, and it also got a very basic stand, allowing it to adjust the height, the tilt, the swivel, and the pivot according to your preference. But it's no cable manager or RGB whatsoever. It's just a very box standard stand. Now let's talk about connectivity options, because the ViewSonic Omni XG2431 offers multiple input ports, including one DisplayPort and two HDMI 2.0. So no 2.1, but this is a 1080p panel, meaning that HDMI 2.0 protocol will indeed run 240 Hz full HD. And I also need to mention the integrated USB hub, making it easier to connect to other peripherals. Now it's story time, because back when I used to live in Spain, I was a semi-professional Call of Duty 4 Pro mod player, and I truly wish we had this technology back on the days, because when it comes to gaming, the ViewSonic Omni XG2431 truly shine. With a blazing fast 240 refresh rate and a sub 0.5 millisecond response time, this monitor offers battery smooth gameplay with minimal motion blur. You will experience every frame with exceptional clarity and professional, and without mentioning the relaunch of the Blur Buster approved certificate program version 2.0, focusing on improving display motion and enhancing user experience. They collaborate with monitors vendor to address issues like poor color, limited settings, and unlike AMD or Nvidia, Blur Busters is specifically monitor blur reducer. And this is fully open to all display manufacturer, but, and this is the but, the ViewSonic XG2431 is the first monitor to be a certificate in the world. Another of the standout features in the ViewSonic Omni XG2431 over here is the viewing mode presets. The presets provide users like myself customized gaming modes, including FPS, RTS, MOBA settings, and many, many more. You can easily switch between these modes to optimize the display setting for different game generations and enhance your gaming experience even further. And all this is changed with the small buttons located at the bottom of the screen. The same buttons you will use to navigate probably the most simple and outdated looking OSD that I have seen for a long time. And it's not that it's a bad performance, it's just it only got 4 buttons and they're not intuitive at all. Or 4 buttons look the same to navigate that OSD and the whole thing. I much prefer like other manufacturers doing down there, like LG or Samsung or many other. Just put like a nipple style thing and you can left, right, up and down, okay in the middle. And yet this is without talking about the sound, because you have speakers, 2 down-firing 3-watt speakers that, I mean, they make a sound, but they're not going to win you any tournaments for how good they sound. They're just there. But be honest, if they're there or not there, they will not make a lot of difference in this gaming monitor. But in summary, the ViewSonic Omni XG2431 24-inch gaming monitor offers a stunning visual experience with full HD resolution, bus IPS display, and VESA display HDR 400. Its impressive 240 Hz refresh rate and a sub 0.5 millisecond response time. Huge thanks to ViewSonic UK for sending over today's review unit. And if you enjoy this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe down below to the channel, because that really helps. Hey, that let me know that you like it. So if you like it, why not check any other videos over here? But thanks for watching. I'm Chekotech. I will see you in the next one. Now, let's go and game. Adios.